20 classic cars, all under $5,000. Some run, some need work, but every single one could be a future classic. The question is, which one would you take home today? Number 1. 1978 Ford Granada Coupe, $3,950. Starting the list is a 1978 Ford Granada two-door coupe located in Wilmot, Wisconsin. This classic late 1970s American coupe is powered by an inline six-cylinder engine paired with a four-speed manual transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives very well, and most of the electrical components are working properly, including the lights and heater, although the radio currently does not function. The exterior is finished in gray with a red interior, a color combination that gives the car a distinctive vintage appearance. Recent maintenance reportedly includes new tires and a new battery, although the power steering pump is said to have a leak. With a clean title and 2 sets of keys included, the seller suggests the car could even be a good candidate for a future V8 swap. At $3,950, this Granada appears to be a usable classic driver with some potential for upgrades. Number 2. 1976 Chevrolet El Camino Classic, $3,000. Next is a 1976 Chevrolet El Camino Classic located in Montgomery, Pennsylvania. This unique car-truck hybrid features the familiar El Camino body style that combines passenger car comfort with pickup utility. The vehicle is equipped with an automatic transmission and power windows, and the seller also notes that the air conditioning system is present. However, the mechanical condition is somewhat uncertain, as the seller is not sure whether the vehicle currently runs or drives. The brakes are said to be functional, and the car does come with a good title. One of the main repairs needed is a replacement floor pan, which the seller originally planned to install but no longer has time to complete. With an asking price of $3,000 or possible trade options, this El Camino appears to be a restoration project with solid potential. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $4,900. Next on the list is a 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray located in St. Charles, Missouri. This classic C3 Corvette is powered by a 350 small block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives and could be enjoyed as a cruiser or further improved as a project vehicle. The odometer currently shows around 41,000 miles, although it is stuck, so the true mileage is unknown. The interior is described as being in decent condition for its age. The seller mentions that the car does not always start every time, which may indicate a starter issue, but otherwise the vehicle remains a functioning classic Corvette. With a clean title and an asking price of $4,900, it represents an affordable entry point into classic Corvette ownership. Number 4. 1967 AMC Rebel, $4,000. Next is a 1967 AMC Rebel located in Sharpsburg, Georgia. This classic American sedan is equipped with a 290 cubic inch V8 engine and a 2-barrel carburetor paired with an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car can be driven daily and currently has insurance and an active registration. Several maintenance items have recently been replaced, including new tires, belts, hoses, and a battery. The seller also reports that all gauges and turn signals are working properly and that a new dashboard panel has been installed. While there are a few minor body dents, the vehicle is described as being in overall good condition and would make a solid candidate for a future restoration project. At $4,000, it appears to be a functioning vintage sedan with classic V8 power. Number 5. 1977 Ford LTD Landau, $4,000. Next is a 1977 Ford LTD located in Campbellsburg, Indiana. This large American luxury sedan reportedly shows around 97,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well and makes an enjoyable Sunday cruiser. The exterior is white with a green interior, which reflects the typical styling of late 1970s full-size American cars. While the vehicle is not described as being perfect, the seller notes that it is still in respectable condition overall. The car was reportedly purchased from the Jamie Knoll car auction at the historic French Lick Hotel. With a clean title and a price of $4,000, it appears to be a comfortable vintage cruiser that can be enjoyed as it is or gradually improved. '6. 1963 Chevrolet Nova 2, $4,000.
Next, we have a 1963 Chevrolet Nova 2 located in Morenci, Michigan. This early 1960s compact Chevrolet is powered by a straight 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car runs and drives, but would benefit from a tune-up and some general maintenance. The exterior is finished in orange, giving the car a distinctive and eye-catching appearance. Early Nova models are popular among classic car enthusiasts due to their simple design and lightweight construction, which makes them appealing platforms for restoration or performance builds. With a price of $4,000 and negotiable terms, this Nova appears to be a running project that could be improved with some additional work. Seven. 1962 Triumph TR4 Roadster, $3,500. Next is a 1962 Triumph TR4 Roadster located in Waukesha, Wisconsin. This classic British sports car is being offered as a restoration project and is not currently running. However, the seller wrote that the engine does turn over and has spark, suggesting that the drivetrain may be restorable. The body has been repainted in the past and appears to be structurally solid with several repaired areas. The car also includes the convertible top frame. As with many vintage British roadsters, the vehicle will need mechanical work, including attention to the brakes, clutch, and fuel system before returning to the road. With a Wisconsin title and a firm price of $3,500, this TR4 appears to be a promising base for a classic sports car restoration. Eight. 1956 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe, $3,000. Next is a 1956 Cadillac Series 62 two-door coupe located in Dry Ridge, Kentucky. This mid-1956 Cadillac is being offered as a project vehicle, but appears to be a very complete car overall. According to the seller, over 90% of the glass and trim pieces are still present and in good condition. The 365 cubic inch V8 engine reportedly turns freely, and the carburetor has already been cleaned but still needs to be reassembled using the included gasket kit. The car does have significant rust in the floor pans and bumpers, and the frame shows rust near the right rear spring mount. Despite those issues, many of the body panels remain solid for a car of this age. At $3,000, this classic Cadillac represents a large restoration project, but also a rare opportunity to revive a 1950s luxury coupe. Nine. 1972 Jeep CJ, $2,000. Next is a 1972 Jeep CJ located in Ashapen, Wisconsin. This classic off-road vehicle is equipped with a V8 engine and a manual transmission. The body is made of fiberglass, which helps prevent rust compared with original steel bodies. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives and was reportedly used as a daily driver in 2024. The frame had previously been damaged but was repaired with a welded reinforcement. The Jeep also has newer seats installed and appears to be a functional off-road project. While it still needs some finishing work, the seller mentions that the title has now been found. At $2,000, this Jeep CJ appears to be one of the more affordable running vintage off-road vehicles in the list. Ten. 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $2,900. Closing out the first part is a 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle located in Girard, Ohio. This classic air-cooled Volkswagen is being offered as a project vehicle and currently does not drive. The seller notes that the car needs the fuel tank installed, although a new tank is included with the sale. The vehicle has solid floors and good tires, and it is equipped with a manual transmission. Some interior components, including the front seats, still need to be installed. Despite these unfinished tasks, the car comes with a clean title and appears to be a relatively complete project. With an asking price of $2,900, this Beetle could be a good starting point for someone looking to restore a classic Volkswagen.
11. 1967 Ford Falcon, $2,800. Starting the second half of the list is a 1967 Ford Falcon located in Mount Victory, Ohio. This classic compact Ford is powered by a 289 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and the underside is described as being in very good condition thanks to its Texas origins. However, the vehicle will need some restoration work, including replacement of the front floor pans. The passenger side of the car was also damaged when a tree fell on it, breaking the windshield, although a replacement windshield is included with the sale. The car comes with a clean Ohio title ready for transfer. With an asking price of $2,800, this Falcon appears to be a solid project candidate for someone interested in restoring a classic 1960s Ford. (12) 1978 Pontiac Bonneville, $2,100. Next is a 1978 Pontiac Bonneville located in Southfield, Michigan. This full-size American sedan reportedly has around 54,000 miles and is powered by a 403 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives and has received several recent mechanical updates, including a tune-up, new spark plugs, spark plug wires, a rebuilt carburetor, and a rebuilt transmission. Additional components such as new rotors, brake pads, and brake shoes have also been installed. The vehicle features a black exterior with a red interior and even includes an upgraded sound system. While the car still needs a tail light, a headlight, and a right tie rod, the seller claims it can still be driven home. With a price around $2,100, this Bonneville appears to be a very affordable vintage cruiser. (13) 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $4,500. Next on the list is a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, located in Charleston, South Carolina. This classic muscle-era coupe is being offered as a restoration project and is currently not running. According to the seller, the vehicle has been off the road for more than 30 years but still retains its original 307 V8 engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. The odometer reportedly shows around 27,000 miles, though the true mileage cannot be confirmed. The car is missing the drive shaft and exhaust manifolds, but does include additional parts stored in the trunk. With a clean title in hand and a price of $4,500, this Chevelle appears to be a promising restoration project for enthusiasts interested in bringing a late 1960s muscle car back to life. (14) 1979 GMC Sierra Grande 1500, $3,500. Next is a 1979 GMC Sierra Grande 1500 long bed pickup located in Westmoreland, Tennessee. This classic truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and currently runs, although it cannot be driven due to a mechanical issue involving the freeze plugs. The seller notes that replacement freeze plugs are included with the truck. The vehicle was originally a diesel, but has been converted to a 307 Oldsmobile gasoline engine. Like many trucks of this era, it has rust in several typical areas, including the bed, which shows rust holes that were previously painted over. Despite these issues, the truck does come with a clean Tennessee title. With an asking price of $3,500, it appears to be a workable project for someone interested in restoring the vintage pickup. (15) 1973 MG Midget, $4,000. Next is a 1973 MG Midget, located in Montpelier, Ohio. This small British roadster reportedly has around 69,000 miles and features a blue exterior with a tan interior. The seller states that the engine runs and has been tested on a starting stand, suggesting that the drivetrain is functional. The body is described as being solid with very little rust, which is often an important factor with vintage British sports cars. However, some electrical wiring related to the turn signals and rear lights will require attention. MG Midgets are known for their lightweight design and classic open-top driving experience. With an asking price of $4,000, this example appears to be a good candidate for a restoration project or weekend roadster build.
(16) 1964 Ford F100, $5,000. Next, we have a 1964 Ford F100 located in Metamora, Illinois. This classic pickup truck originally came from North Carolina and has undergone several mechanical improvements to bring it back to running condition. The truck is powered by a rebuilt 223 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission. According to the seller, the engine was rebuilt with a slight overbore, and the truck now runs and can be driven locally as well as on the highway, although it is not yet ready to be used as a daily driver. Additional updates include new brake lines, wheel cylinders, upgraded master cylinder components, and a conversion from generator to alternator.
With good glass and extra parts included, this F100 appears to be a solid classic truck project priced at $5,000. (17) 1974 Ford F100 long bed, $1,300. Next is a 1974 Ford F100 long bed pickup located in Taylor, South Carolina. This truck is equipped with a 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle does not currently come with a title and would be sold with a bill of sale only. The truck also has some rust in the floor pans, which is common for vehicles of this age. Despite these issues, the engine and drivetrain combination is a popular one among classic truck enthusiasts. With an asking price of just $1,300, this F100 is one of the lowest priced vehicles in the list and appears to be offered as a basic project truck. (18) 1965 Ford F250 farm truck, $5,000. Next is a 1965 Ford F250 farm truck located in Pinson, Tennessee. This heavy-duty pickup is equipped with a straight-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. According to the seller, the truck runs, drives, and stops, although it is currently used mostly around the property. The seller notes that the brakes may need bleeding, but overall the truck appears to be functional. Several additional parts are included with the sale, along with fluids and seatbelts. Vehicles like this were commonly used as work trucks on farms and ranches during the 1960s. With an asking price of $5,000, this F250 appears to be a usable vintage work truck with potential for restoration. (19) 1967 Chevrolet C60 truck, $1,950. Next is a 1967 Chevrolet C60 truck located in Sorrento, Illinois. This large commercial-style truck is equipped with a dump bed that the seller states still raises and lowers properly. According to the seller, the engine runs but has a small backfire issue that may be related to loose spark plugs or wires. The brakes are described as somewhat weak, although the truck is still operational. The interior is reported to be in fairly good condition, and the vehicle includes a clean title. With an estimated 12-foot bed and a price of $1,950, this Chevrolet C60 appears to be an inexpensive vintage work truck that could still be useful for certain tasks. (20) 1979 Toyota Celica GT liftback, $750. Closing out the list is a 1979 Toyota Celica GT liftback located in Brandenburg, Kentucky. This classic Japanese sports coupe is powered by a 20R engine paired with a manual transmission. The car has been sitting for a long period of time and the seller is unsure whether it currently runs. It is also being sold without a title, which means it may be best suited as a parts car or restoration project. Despite these limitations, early Celica models are becoming increasingly collectible among enthusiasts of vintage Japanese cars. With an asking price of just $750, this Celica is by far the lowest priced vehicle in the list and could provide a valuable source of parts or a challenging restoration opportunity. Classic cars under $5,000 won't stay cheap forever. Some of these could be the next collectibles. So tell me in the comments, which one would you save?